In this video, I code the Hello World program in 20 languages without the help of Google. I'll start with the one-liners, Python 3 being the poster child. We can just call the print function with the string hello. Next is bash. I'll echo hello out to the screen. Now for the web developer's favorite language, JavaScript, I'll console hello out and run it with Node.js. Next is TypeScript. We could run the same program yet again, console hello. This time I'll run it with Dino. Now for our first compiled language, Haskell. We'll put the string hello followed by a new line. I'll compile it with GHC and then run the executable. Next is Lisp. We'll print hello inside parentheses. And I'll use the SBCL to execute it. Next, Ruby from Ruby on Rails. We'll put hello and run it with Ruby. Now Perl. We can call the print function with hello followed by a new line. Not forgetting the semicolon, of course. Next, Lua. We can print the string hello, no need for parentheses. Nim is just like bash. We can echo hello and run it with nim. Now a data science favorite, R. We'll call the print function with hello. Now we'll get into some multi-liners. First is Fortran. This is a two-liner. We can print star comma hello and then end the program. I'll compile it with the gfortran and then run the executable. Next is a classic, C. I'll include the standard IO header file, and inside main, I'll call the printf function. Next is C++. We could cheat and run the same program again, but I'll do it the C++ way, so I'll include the IO stream and use the standard cout to print hello. Next is Java, a big object-oriented language. I'll create a new class called hi, and inside the main function, I'll call system.out.println to print hello to the screen. I'll run the Java compiler, and then run the class with Java. It looks like I can't find it, so perhaps I've made a typo in the class name. It looks fine here, so I might have made an error in the command. Oh, and it looks like I included the .class extension, which is not needed. Now one of my favorite languages, Rust. Inside the main, I will call the println macro. Next is Go. First, I create a new package and import fmt. Inside main, I'll use the printf method to print hello. I'll run it with Go. Next up is Scala. I'll create a new object hi, and inside the main function, I'll println hello. Next up is BF, one of the craziest languages I've ever written a program in. The ASCII values for hello start around at 100, so I'll do some simple multiplication of 10 times 10 to get 100 to be on the tape. Then I'll move to print the H, then the E, the two L's, and the O. Then we need a new line, so I'll just move over, count to 10, and print the new line. I'll run the program with my BF interpreter. Next is assembly. This one will be much longer than the previous. Inside the start directive, I first have to indicate that we'll be writing. So I'll move the write bits into the RAX. Then I'll move the message and its length into the appropriate registers. I'll define what these are in a bit. Then we're ready to call the system. Next, we have to exit from the program, so move the exit command into the appropriate register and perform a system call. Now inside the data section, the message will be hello followed by a new line, and then we can specify its length. Now I'll assemble it with Nasm for my specific architecture, and then I'll do the linking step. That is the Hello World program in 20 languages. Comment down below your favorite one, and I'll see you in the next one.